Have you paid something?
Nothing.
2019.
Nothing.
Not
No,
even
my
a
lord.
single rupee has been paid to me, my lord.
I want to one time
Nothing.
settle
I will
your.
dismiss this petition.
I
Yes,
want
my
to
lord.
one time settle your lordship.
I'll dismiss this petition. Show your bona fide in maintaining your wife, I say.
I am on road, my lord. Nothing has been
How
paid.
many times you want to repeat? On gunpoint, you have you people are living.
Yes, yes, my lord. I
First you pay, then only mediation. Strike off.
please, your lord.
I want to file a counter affidavit in this case.
Respondent is permitted to file counter affidavit.
एक
Release
एक
this matter after
हुजूर
3 weeks.
एक हुजूर एक बात कहनी थी हुजूर कि इसमें हुजूर बेटर ये रहता कि ये मीडिएशन सेंटर में मैटर चला जाता, वहीं सोल्व कर लेते तो ज्यादा अच्छा
What is the relief sought?
बिल्कुल
You have no
सिंपल
objection for referring the matter to mediation?
First, I want to file a counter, then
in
mediation.
the meantime
my
your
lord.
lordship,
No, you do both.
in the
Just
mean
take down. The parties are hereby directed to appear before High Court Mediation Center on so and so date at so and so time. In the meanwhile, the respondent is permitted to file counter affidavit.
in the meantime further proceeding your lordship may come. In the
There is
meantime,
there is a order.
yes,
No, my lord.
It's my
On
order.
previous occasion,
What
there
is
is
the
no
order?
stove, my lord. So in the
To
meantime,
pay-
my lord,
to pay your lordship rupees.
the girl has been in the road, my lord.
Wait,
He has
wait,
not
wait,
paying
I'm
the
asking.
any money, my lord.
he has,
Matter
he
has
has
been
married
sent to
his
mediation
daughter
center.
your lordship on the point of pistol your lordship, gun by kidnapping me your
If
lordship.
matter has been sent to mediation
Uh,
center.
Have
your
you,
aids-
have you paid something?
Something perhaps paid your lordship, but here order is
No, have you paid something? From
Nothing.
2019.
nothing.
Not
no,
even
my
a
lord.
single rupee has been paid to me, my lord.
I want to one time
Nothing.
settle
I
your
will dismiss this petition.
I
Yes,
want
my
to
lord.
one time settle your lordship.
I'll dismiss this petition. Show your bona fide in maintaining your wife, I say.
I am on road, my lord. Nothing has been
How
paid.
many times you want to repeat? I am on the road.
I
I
am
am on the road.
extremely sorry, my lord.
Earlier order may kindly.
When are you paying? Tomorrow.
हुजूर
Tomorrow you have to pay. Otherwise, I will dismiss this petition.
एक हुजूर मौका दे दिया जाए हुजूर मेडिसिन सेंटर में जो भी
Sir,
सेट
2019. How do you expect a wife to survive?
She is not my wife, your lordship. She
That
has
is a dispute, right?
on gunpoint, your lordship, and by kidnapping me, your lordship, in Bihar, your lordship.
On gunpoint, you have you people are living.
Yes, yes, my lord. I am working at employee of the Grameen Bank, your lordship, and when I am going to my bank, he has kidnapped your lordship.
What is the occupation?
Grameen Bank third grade employee, your lordship, clerk.
All right, you pay. What? Tomorrow you are going to pay all arrears from 2019.
Yeah. I will pay your lordship as your wish, your lordship, but it is better for ends of justice.
Just take down.
Mediation center is for the.
First you pay, then only mediation. Strike off
तो
everything.
ठीक हुजूर पे के लिए हुजूर कुछ
Strike off everything. The petitioner has not shown any bona fide in maintaining his wife. Full stop. Even though there is a dispute relationship of husband and wife, and it is a matter pending before the jurisdictional forum. Full stop. In the meanwhile, petitioner has not maintained his wife from 2019. Therefore, he is hereby directed to.
शादी हुई 27/1/2020 को शादी ही हुई है हुजूर.
He is hereby
12/1/12 की
He
शादी
is hereby directed to pay a sum of rupees 1 lakh as to show bona fide in the matter. Such amount shall be paid to the respondent wife within 1 week from today. Full stop. On such a payment of rupees 1 lakh as an interim measure, parties are hereby directed to appear before mediation center next week. In the meanwhile, respondent is permitted to file counter statement.
इन हुजूर 50,000 हुजूर कर दिया जाए और हुजूर इन द मीन टाइम हुजूर स्टे कर दिया जाए हुजूर कोर्ट
1
में
lakh, 1 lakh.